Right, Sam and the Baby D signing on the mic right about now. Hold tight to JGS and Intent Productions for this one, man. Hold tight. Yes, man. JGS and Intent. MC Baby B's gonna take this one away, man. Hold tight. So, if you cage me like an animal and expect me to change, you punish me with solitude and you tell me that I'm strange. You see that I'm not normal until that I must agree. Cause how can I be normal when my home is HMP? I get no help or close up to lock my fucking door. In fact, why the fuck would I need help? I know the fucking score. Till it gets easy as you get used to it. Add some fucking hooks to it. That's a story, that's a tale. Sort it out, man, it's only jail. Now, officer, what it's all about. It's section 18, not getting out. I've got no reply for you a day. Is there out you'd like to see it? Not nah, fuck that, I'm innocent. There was no wounded with intent. Met police, CID, all response, they all hate me. It's all a game of cat and mouse. Set your decks up in the house. Simply fosters naked spirits. Such a stretch for a damn few minutes. I'll remand for a little while. It'll not be long until my trial. Whatever the outcome, I'll still smile into my sentence. Southie style, oi, 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 bad boy, boy. Party crew right now, it's on. Let's jump for joy. Yes, yes, yes. Right about now, jump with the best. Hold tight the Intent. Hold tight the JGS. We wind it up. We just don't fucking stop. Right, get ready for this one, crib on. Time. Like a boxer in the ring, fighting for his reputation. I'm in this for the win, I'm gonna be here for the duration. Determination, motivation, take control of the situation. Bobbing, weaving, boxing, clever, give a good presentation. Stamina and loads of heart, you have to have this from the start. Keep your cool, you've gotta be smart, persistent, speed to work it hard, man. Work it hard, with the speed of a true Bugatti. The confidence of Joe Jr. and the footwork of Ali. So, dodge it, look it, dance together, it's your day. Whatever the weather. Mayweather, fist and leather. McGregor, David Hay. Hold tight and rave day is what I'm in tight and speed time. It goes on like Ricky Hatton and Amir Khan. And still, the MC Champa does not need no camp. I leave my mark, I leave my stamp. It's on, I fucking blow his arm. Okay, let's do this, crew. So, now back when I was younger, now that I think of it, I was dumb. But there's no point fucking dwelling about it, cause what is done is done. Before I even knew how to walk, I'd jump the wall and run. But that's just me, I was blind to see. Think it's a fucking cum. Street, I wanna drink till I couldn't think, and I wouldn't get back, and I fucking stink. I need a shave, so I put my face in the sink. My head's fucking banging and my guts in the king. Nobody for real that doubt me, cause I used to fucking doubt myself. If you tried to tell me I wouldn't listen, only I could get me telt.